Hi, Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we're talking about a car handle to assist you in and out of the car. Now if you want to look this up on the internet, there's a lot of different varieties available. If you type in car assist handle, it will bring those up for you. Now what I'm going to show you here, on one end this is kind of a rubberized handle. On the other end you've got a heavy metal hook. So this hook will go into the car latch, the door latch here, next to the car. So this part goes into the car latch. This is what the handle looks like, okay? So what you're going to do when you go to sit down in the car, you're going to use this to assist you. So you're going to back up to the car, take a hold of the handle. You can put another hand on the door for balance. You're going to lean down. You can put some weight, some pretty good weight on this handle and assist yourself into the car. The same thing that you can do when you're getting out. You're going to put your hand right here, put some weight through this, push yourself up, and assist yourself getting out of the car. Of course, we want to make sure that when we get into the car, we want to take this out of the door so we don't slam the door on it. But that is a car assist handle right there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to our website if you like what you see. Have a good day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.